Unit 2, Part A, Activity 2B. Vocabulary. Listen, check, and repeat.
Cambodia, Cambodian, Japan, Japanese, Canada, Canadian, Britain, British, America, American, Thailand, Thai, Spain, Spanish, Vietnam, Vietnamese, France, French, China, Chinese,
Unit 2, Part A, Activity 4B. Listen, check, and repeat.
1. Yumi is from Japan. 2. I'm Tony and I'm American. 3. She is from Vietnam. 4. My students are Cambodian. 5. This is my family and we are Canadian. 6. My teacher is British. 7. They are from France.
Unit 2, Part B, Activity 5B. Listening. Listen and check your answers.
Hi, my name is Jenny. I am 17 years old and I'm a student in grade 12. I have one brother. His name is Gosal. Gosal told me he made a new friend at his football club. His name's Tim. They're the same age, but Tim isn't from Cambodia. He's British. They're both in grade 10, but they aren't at the same high school. Tim studies at a private school.